Today we will conduct an activity of class 6, chapter 12, electricity and circuits. In this activity we will find out whether the given material is conductor or insulator. For this activity we need eraser, matchstick, copper and copper, plastic and pencil lead. For this activity, so let us see how we will conduct this activity. Students, in this activity we will check whether rubber is students, in this activity we will check whether rubber is insulator or conductor. We will also check whether the wood is insulator or conductor. Similarly, we will also check graphite, plastic and copper. We will check whether these materials are insulator or conductor. For this activity, first of all, we will make a circuit containing a battery, a connecting wire and a bulb, and we will leave a gap between the two wires, and we will leave a gap between two wires. In this case, as we can see that the bulb is not glowing. This means that the current is not flowing in the circuit. Now let us check whether the copper wire is conductor or insulator. For this we will place the copper wire between the gaps. For this we will place the copper wire between the gaps, and we can see that the bulb is glowing. So we can say that in this case current is flowing in the circuit and copper wire is a conductor of electricity. Now let us check whether the graphite is conductor of electricity or not. For this we will place the graphite between the gaps. As we can see that for this activity we will place the graphite between the wires, and we can see that in this case the bulb is glowing. We will place the graphite between the wires, and we can see that bulb is glowing. This means that current is flowing in the circuit and graphite is a conductor of electricity. Now let us check whether wood is conductor of electricity or not. For this we will place the wood between the ends of the wire, between the gap. We will place the wood between the gap, and we can see that the bulb is not glowing. So we can say that the current is not flowing in the circuit and wood is a. Now let us check whether the rubber is insulator or conductor. For this we will place the rubber between the gap, and we will check whether the bulb is glowing or not. As we can see that in this case the bulb is not glowing and the current is not flowing in the circuit. So we can say that rubber is an insulator Now let us check whether the plastic is conductor of electricity or not. For this, we will place the plastic between the gap, and we can see that in this case also the bulb is not glowing. It means that in this case also current is not flowing. So we can say that plastic is insulator of electricity. Students, in this activity we have seen that graphite and copper is conductor of electricity and plastic, rubber and wood is insulator of electricity. I hope that you have understood. Thank you.